Hello and welcome to the Seafoam Isles Draft League Season 2, Week 6, Game 4. This game was played yesterday. It's just I wasn't able to really record it. So this match is between Leor and Roland, coaches of the Mid-Coast Braybirds, and Snack Time, respectively. The Mega Pokemon in this match. I don't think either of them are coming, but I'll make sure. Yeah, Heracross didn't come, and neither did Megalopoly. So neither of the top tier guys came to this week. So, or no, none of the Megas came. So the Z Pokemon, Z Gardevoir, and Z Attack Gardevoir, Z Any Zoroark, both here. And then for Leor, Zanny Z not making an appearance, but Lilligant with Z Attack is making an appearance. So, I'll just. Okay, so what I'm gonna say, just like preface, I'm not gonna make any first impressions because they told me that this was going to be a meme battle, pretty much. So, any basic thoughts I might have probably are pretty much useless going in. So, I'm just gonna go watch the battle. I'm not even gonna make any guesses. It's just I'm just gonna watch this. So, Mesprit lead, which these are pretty typical leads, I would say, like Sticky Web on Sticky Web Slurpuff. Yeah, this is not a completely dumb. Yeah, this looks like maybe a possibly normal Mesprit. Like, yeah, T-Wave, Stealth Rock. There's Sticky Web. So, looks like pretty standard leads. Nasty Plot. Okay. Well, well, there goes the normalness, I guess. And is this going to be Belly Drum? Metronome. Nasty Plot and Metronome. Okay. Assurance. Okay. Nasty Plot, Assurance. Another full para. So 3 full paras. Okay. Let's see. Come on, Mesprit. Pull out. Okay. These are some pretty Feltronome. A light screen goes up. Screen slurp up. Okay. Moke. I'm excited to see what all these are. This is just parting shot. That's probably like the worst possible thing to get with. Other than like explosion. Boots Volcanion comes out. What's this gonna be? Play rough? Okay. So screens, Sticky Web, Play rough. Okay, Gyro Paralyzed Moment. Paralyzed. Okay, that it hits again. The play rough hits again. Rain Dance. Whoa. Is this gonna go for like Water Spout? I don't know. It doesn't get Water Spout. I don't. Steam Eruption. Rain Steam Eruption. Light screen is up though. Yes, 5% Gyro Ball again. This is something. And the attack drop's gonna make Gyro Ball do like 3% now. Well, okay. Is this gonna... Okay, I was about to say, if this goes for a Gyro Ball again, I'm gonna speed it up. But the full para procs again. This is Light Clay guy. This game has been kind of just happening so far. Metronome again. I'm waiting for the this is like the most failure metronome ever. Player misses. Okay. Yes. Play rough present. Or no, no. Metronome present. He goes for metronome again. Shell smash. Okay. Let's get let's see what. Light screen's gonna run out here. Play rough misses again. Um let's get a what? Psycho boost. Give me a psycho boost. Metronome into psycho boost. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Are you kidding me? Yeah. Oh, the light screen turn. Let's see what happens now. Brick break. Come on, brick break. Converts to rock type. Okay. Awesome. Imprison. What? This is just. I think. Bold Knock summed it up pretty good, pretty well right here. And that's how I'm feeling right now. We're gonna see metronome again. Water circuit. Let's go. That would have been good a couple turns ago. But yeah, we'll hit for 5% into Milotic, which probably isn't leftovers. It is leftovers. Okay. So this is kind of happening. Metronome. I don't know. Waiting for this to do something. I was gonna. This is gonna. Milotic's just gonna switch out now. Or you gonna. Is this gonna be subcoil Milotic with like Dragon Tail? Well, sub kind of ruins. Um. Substitute kind of ruins this. Aqua. Are you serious? You're gonna stall? Stall. Okay, I'm sorry. Metronome, give me taunt. That's so sad. Is this just gonna be sub-toxic solar ring? Quick attack doesn't even break this up. Dude, are you serious? He doesn't have a steel type. It really doesn't have a steel type. This is gonna just be game. Okay. Okay. I like to see it. Dragon Tail misses. Okay. Toxic Dragon Tail. Kind of anti-synergy. But Leech Life. That did so much. Well, looks leftovers Aqua Ring moment. Rapid spin. Okay, fine. And it comes on the table. Not actually on the table though. Toxic right now. No. Okay. Wait, is that Choice Bandit Whimsicott? Oh, no, that was Zoroark. Okay, but now the real table is on the table. Signal beam. Cool. Signal beam. Encore in the signal beam. Is this gonna die? Wee woo, wee woo. Tanking the signal beam like a champion. Sheesh. Heat crash. Okay, there you go. It's physical Volcanion. That's cool. I wonder why Leor is not switching though. Okay. I'm just gonna say missed opportunity to make Misty Explosion. Wait, if it gets that. This is a confusing game. There you go. Finally, you get off that scorching sands. Get a little bit of chip for the first time in like 40 turns. Um, well, it's only been 30 turns. Ignore that. Light screen goes up. Encore in the light screen. Give me the misty terrain right now. Just like, or I think you can't switch out of Encore. Uh-oh. I see Basculin. Sweep right now. Flip turn. Oh my god. Sub's not going to be able to go up, but that did a lot. Toxic. Again. I know that he's going into Desperate for every opportunity to do a thing, but it doesn't have an attacking move aside from Metronome. She's a guy. Okay. That's cool. Mystical Fire for that cool 3%. Sub's not gonna go up. Oh no. Wait. Oh no. Wait. This. Um. 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 Okay. Does this not have any attacking moves either? Oh, that was a good play. Oh wait, this literally can't do anything. Literally no move. This is healing so fast though. Yes. Let me give Milotic all of its HP back. Encore ends. Oh shoot. Physical Zoroark on the floor. Double into Whimsicott on the Toxic. Or on the Dragon Tail. In comes Goat. Come on, Goat. You got this. V-Create! CB Smeargle. Let's go. Proud of you. First kill in like 20 turns. V creates Smeargle. Strong man. Aqua Jet does not quite pick up that kill. Yes. Sweet Veil Arrest. Freeze Dry, Toxic, Special Darmanic. Guerrilla Tactics. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh. Lame. He just missed. That's so sad. I mean, it's not like it would have changed that much. But. Yeah, I just died. And here comes the full health Milotic. Alright. Basculin goes for that Aqua Jet. Does like 2. Molotov. Okay. Wait, what? Basculinception. Bounce. I think, to be honest, I think that Milotic literally just wins now, but. Yes, it is me. Bounce. Oh, wow, this is. Jeez. That did so much. I think Milotic just wins now. Not sure. Aqua Jet, 19%. Aqua Ring comes off again. Okay, now we're just gonna see substall probably. Cute. This is happening. I'm gonna guess the only move this has is Mystical Fire. Oh no! Come on, have Psychic. Have Psychic. You gotta have Psychic. Come on. You gotta have Psychic, or else you're gonna lose. I don't think it has Psychic. Aqua Ring won the game. Alright. And Tox. Come on. You got this. Crit Gardevoir. Crit. That wait, we crit wouldn't even do anything. It would do like 26. Um yeah. I'm gonna be honest. Um I was right to not go in there with any sort of preconception of what they were going to do because I think my head is spinning right now. Uh, that was definitely can't deny that. Right. I am. I'm not even gonna try and explain how I'm feeling right now. That was interesting. That was interesting. So, we'll move on to see you in the next one, I guess.